It's March 2020. Time to count down the top 5 revolvers in my firearm collection. Stick around. Welcome to the channel. For those new here, don't forget to thumbs up, smash that subscribe button, click the notification bell, and all that jazz. Today's list has no specific criteria, just my favorite revolvers, and this list can change at any given time as I acquire more firearms.
5.
Starting off the list at number 5 is a very unique and old school revolver. The Nagant M1895 is a double action revolver and was produced from about 1895 until 1945. It features a cylinder that holds 7 rounds of 7.62 by 38R ammunition.
4.
And at number 4 is a fairly new addition to my collection of firearms, at least at the time of this video. Production on the Ruger Blackhawk single-action revolver began in 1955 and continues to this day. The Blackhawk cylinder holds 6 rounds of the .357 Magnum cartridge.
3.
Number 3 on this list is a snub-nose revolver. The Colt Detective Special double-action revolver has been produced in multiple issues from about 1927 through 1995. The Detective Special cylinder holds 6 rounds of .38 special ammunition.
2.
At number 2 is another snub-nose revolver, and one that makes its way often into my everyday carry rotation. Taurus began production of the Protector Poly in 2010, and production continues. The Protector Poly holds 5 rounds of .38 special ammunition in the cylinder. Before we get to the number 1 revolver on this list, how about some quick questions? Do you own any revolvers? If so, what's your favorites? Let me know in the comments below.
1.
And now in at the number 1 spot is my Smith & Wesson Custom Model 10 double action revolver. The basic design of the Smith & Wesson Model 10 has been around since about 1899, and many multiple variants have been produced since then. Believe it or not, the Model 10 is still in production today. The Smith & Wesson Model 10 holds 6 rounds of .38 special ammunition. This particular Model 10 has several competition customizations, including an upgraded barrel, upgraded sights, and a trigger job. So there are my favorite revolvers. Thanks for hanging out. Thanks for watching. And until next time, don't forget to chain fire freedom.